guys, and welcome to another video in the series where we are going to look at the ASA appliance. First, I actually moved it from the FTD firewall threat detection software back to the ASA. I did that because I needed to upgrade the ARM firmware, or at least show you guys how to do that. And we did that in another video again. We upgraded it to 1.1.8, and then we moved it from the ASA OS to the FTD OS. And now it's actually up and running, but we need to add it to a firewall management center or firepower management center, FMC. So I'm still connected to the FTD with the serial cable. I'm just gonna look at. I do have something here. This is my ESXi, the firewall management center. I'm just gonna turn that on. So now the Firepower Management Center has been booted up, and we should be able to log into this one here. The Firepower Management Center I was installing the other day is just running on my ESXi server. And we can actually see here that I don't have any devices on yet. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to try and register the FTD in this management center. But to do that, we will need to go to the interface on the CLI, the firepower. Let's see here. We can actually also connect to SSH to the management center. So here we're just gonna have in telling the FTD to register itself with the management center. And we can make it, we need to do a registration key that's just a string that we're gonna enter here. So now it's gonna open up some channels on port 8305. Let's see if we can. Okay, so manager successfully configured, and it's not gonna, it will now listen to these ports. On 8305, and we can see here now it's actually have a two-directional socket that is listening on this port. Now we'll just go to the management center and add the device. So this is a whole new setup, and I did make an access control policy that is called block all traffic, and it's a trial license on the management center. So I do have the malware, the AMP, the threat, and the URL filtering. So that's the policy I'm gonna get it, or the configuration. So it's just gonna take a minute. And we can actually see here, if we're gonna try to listen here again, that we have established a connection. as we can see, it's just starting the registration. That means it actually has connection to the FTD. And you can see both channels now are established. So now it's gonna download the configuration and the policies to the FTD. And the registration is now complete, and it's gonna try to discover what is on the device and try and download these things. And it looks like we are done. I wanted to show you how to add the FTD to the Firepower Management Center. See you in the next video.